We are going to study about engineering mathematics first, unit first, differential calculus. Course name engineering mathematics first, course code MA8151. Here the topic is limit of a function. We are studying about the definition of limit of a function. Here the definition is a function f of x tends to a definite limit L as x tends to a if the difference between f of x and L can be made as small as we like by making x approaches sufficiently near to a, then we write limit x tends to a f of x equal to L. Here f of x is a function. Replace x by a, that is x approaches to a, we get L. L is the limit of a function. Dear students, for example, f of x, the function is f of x represent a function f of x equal to x square. If x tends to phi, then limit x tends to phi f of x equal to x square, phi square, that is equal to 25, L equal to 25. Therefore, limit exists. Here, the limit of a function means if one function is given, x approaches to a, limit x tends to a f of x equal to some value represent L. L is the limit of a function. In a limit of a function, two types, left limit and right limit. Left limit means x less than 0, left side, limit x tends to a minus f of x equal to L. It represents, left limit represent limit x tends to a minus f of x equal to L, that is x less than 0. Right limit means limit x tends to a plus f of x equal to L, that means x greater than 0. In generally, the limit of a function exists, limit x tends to a f of x equal to L. Next, the problem based on limit of a function. Here the first problem is evaluate limit t tends to minus 2, t power 4 minus 2 by 2t square minus 3t plus 2. Here in this problem, t is the parameter. Here in a definition, x tends to a, x approaches to a. Here in this place, replace t by minus 2. Here the numerator t power 4 minus 2 by 2t square minus 3t plus 2. Here evaluate means first replace in the place of t by minus 2. Then find out the value. We get the value, L is the limit. Here the solution is, here limit t tends to minus 2, t power 4 minus 2 divided by 2t square minus 3t plus 2. Here replace t by minus 2. Here minus 2 the whole power 4 minus 2 by 2 into minus 2 the whole square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2. Then simplifying, we get here minus 2 the whole power 4 means 16 minus 2 by 2 into minus 2 the whole square means 4, 4 into 2 8 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus 12. Here the numerator values 14, the denominator value 16, that is equal to 7 by 8. Here by the definition, limit x tends to a f of x equal to L. L is the limit. Here in this problem, L equal to 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is the limit. Here t is the parameter. This first problem is the simple problem. Directly substitute, then we get the value. Suppose you have to substitute the value. Suppose we get indeterminate form. Indeterminate form means 0 by 0, infinitive by infinitive, infinitive power 0. Then we get indeterminate form. We have to use L'Hospital rule. Here in this problem, no problem. Directly we get the value. Here 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is the limit. Second problem. Second, evaluate limit t tends to 1, t power 4 minus 1 by t cube minus 1 if it exists. The question is if it exists. One limit is exists, the condition is limit x tends to a f of x equal to L. Suppose limit x tends to a f of x equal to infinitive, the limit does not exist. Here in this problem, you have to substitute t tends to 1, replace t by 1. Here we get 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 0. 0 by 0 means indeterminate form. 0 by 0 is not a limit. Here if we substitute, we get indeterminate form, then using L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means differentiate the numerator separately and differentiate the denominator separately. Here in this problem, 0 by 0 indeterminate form, we have to use the LHospital rule. We get limit t tends to 1